Let's go to the bottle flake washing plant in Brazil. The processing capacity of the factory is 40 tons per day. The incoming materials consist of PET bottles in various colors. In this case, client need to sort out the deep blue bottles from different kind of blue bottles. AI optical sorter, leaving no room for material identification errors. Even the subtlest color differences poses no challenge on identification. Originally, manual sorting required 12 workers, and the sorting effect was not ideal. Now, the entire production line only requires 6 workers. Why DataBeyond equipment is ready for immediate use with an ultra-short debugging time. Training only takes 7 days, reducing both time and costs. Localized sorting data ensures that unique bottle shapes, colors, and materials pose no challenge. Our after-sales team responds promptly to customer sorting material needs, ensuring timely data updates uploaded to the cloud for synchronized sorting. The sorting efficiency leads to naturally high profits. The equipment is stable, ensuring worry-free after-sales service. One-click switching of sorting solutions, easier for client to master device operation. By using the DataBeyond AI optical sorter, the accuracy and efficiency of recyclable material sorting have improved, resulting in better product and higher prices. DataBeyond technology will continue to collaborate with local enterprises, contributing to the high-quality development of Brazil's recycling industry.